Hello yarn lovers! Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this super simple edging with just using slip stitches, and it creates this beautiful almost braided look. So I'm just going to use this granny square to show you how to do the edging today, and I'm just using some double knit yarn and a 4mm hook, but you will just use whichever yarn and hook you're using for your project. So I'm just going to start with a slip knot on my hook. And then I'm going to join with a slip stitch anywhere along the side of my granny square. And then I'm going to chain one. And then I'm going to slip stitch into the next stitch. And chain one, and then slip stitch into the next stitch. And chain one. And this is really how easy it is. Slip stitch, chain one, slip stitch, chain one. When you get to the corner, instead of working into the actual corner space, just work into the stitch. Can be maybe a bit trickier to get into chain stitches, but slip stitch, chain one, let's see if I can get my hook in there. There we go. Slip stitch, chain one, and you're just going to work all the way around. Very, very simple way to finish off a project. And it gives you this kind of braided look to the top of your work. So you're just going to go ahead and put a slip stitch and then a chain one into each stitch all the way around your project, and in the corners just working into those chains instead of into the chain space. So you go ahead and work around your project, and I'll meet you when it's time to finish up at the end. And once you've worked all the way around, you're just going to join with a slip stitch that first stitch, and then you can fasten off and weave in your ends. I hope you enjoyed learning the slip stitch edging, and if you would like to learn even more edgings and borders, then why not check out this playlist next. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye now.